What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Tuesday, April 1st, 2025. We got some work to do today. On the floor before us, we got a lot of PEX. We got 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch PEX, all expansion. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm thinking about busting a move. I'm thinking about switching from Uponor expansion PEX to Viega PureFlow. I don't know what's wrong with me. I think I'm nuts. But I've been watching this guy called Monster on that, that TikTok and that TikTok. Man, he a funny motherfucker, by the way. He really a funny motherfucker. And I'm testing out a new device this morning. I got the DJI Mic Mini. And I have a DJI Gyro, the 7, whatever. Hopefully this is working. Hopefully this is recording. I'm feeling the mic. I'm really feeling the mic. I just did an inspection of what I just recorded. It's pretty cool. Awesome. Really, really awesome. I have to create a video this week for the Mikey Pipes HVAC training YouTube channel. Since the Whale McLean has been the oldest in operation system of the 5 I have here at the Mikey Pipes HVAC training facility, I think I am going to end up taking it apart first. We're going to do a detailed step-by-step instructional video on how to properly service the Whale McLean Ultra Series condensing modulating boilers. I happen to like the Whale McLean. It's, I think, too big dimensionally. It stopped recording. It literally stopped recording. Maybe it interpreted me. This thing doesn't know that I use my hands when I speak. What is wrong with you, DJI? Punch you in the face, you stupid phone. And this thing. Why does it say ignition fault when there's not a call for heat? Please wait. Ignition fault. Reset. Clock fault. Pre-pump. Why is this thing running? Preheat active. Oh my God, you stupid freaking EcoTech. It's tracking me. It's a tracker. The other, last night actually. Well, before we talk about last night, I'm scared to move my hands around. Oh God, don't pop up there with your stupid error message. I needed some time to rejuvenate myself and recover from the wedding I went to on Sunday night. And like I explained in yesterday's Uncensored video, I got up, I think it was like 6:45, maybe 6:30. I'm like, all right, I could do this. You know what I mean? You guys have been there before. Even though the overwhelming majority of comments were, Mikey Pipes, you gotta stop drinking. Come on. Relax, guys. Just relax. So I went on that one service call with an expansion tank and relief valve on a water heater job. Came back to the office. I started wiring in some stuff here, and I was like, you know what? I gotta go home. This is not happening. So I just left. And you know what? I got hydrated. I drank a lot of fuel. And yes, I know that when you're hungover, to have some more alcohol to make yourself feel better. But last night, I didn't drink. I didn't, even though I went to a shear with a lot of local guys. And in case you guys don't know what a shear is, we learn together Torah for about half an hour, but we have like an hour and a half of eating and drinking. I didn't drink nothing but water, so I gotta give myself a pat in the back for that. Nonetheless, I feel great this morning. Feel blessed. I didn't realize that I didn't water my, come here, come on guys. I didn't water the palm trees yesterday. See them? Ooh, it follows me. You like that? Good stuff. Good stuff. So we have the Repipe job today. I'm also taking a look at an investment property this afternoon. It's 8 doors. So I'm bringing in an investor with me. 8 doors, come on. 8 doors in New York on Long Island. You can imagine what that costs. 8 doors. It's an 8-family apartment building. So I think that the numbers look good. They do. And, you know, like I say before, you know, we don't, the guys in the trades, unless you're working for like I don't even think even Roto-Rooter or those, you know, franchise operations offer this, you know, 401k. They probably do offer 401k, but you know, you're not getting a pension from a Fortune 100 company, you know, by being a plumber. The only way you're going to have some financial security in your retirement is if you plan ahead and have means for, you know, recurring revenue or passive income by means of, you know, rents. And listen, nothing's guaranteed in life except death and taxes, but if you make certain investments earlier on in your life, you'll have something to fall back on, because, you know, even though Elon Musk is killing it, you know, I think it's $1 billion a day he's trying to save, or is it $4 billion a day? I don't know. But if we could trim the fat from the federal government, even though it's hurting out there, it's hurting. It's hurting. Damn it, I should have sold my crypto right after he was elected. Anyway, you know, God giveth, God taketh away. So that's enough for my rant this morning. Thank you for listening. Hope you guys enjoyed this little Tuesday morning video on the Uncensored channel. Hopefully this audio is coming through to you, because I hate to record it again. And I am going to be using the mic. I'm going to be using the auto tracking gyroscope on my phone. And I'm going to record some content today. We're doing some repiping of a house. It's going to look tits. So I like how it follows me around. And now it tells me if I go like this, it turns the camera off. It tells me if I tap on my microphone, it does that too. But is it doing this? I think it's the peace sign, because I don't know. I'm tapping away, nothing's happening.